Hey, what's up guys? This is Kyle from Life of Hilo. Just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing today. We're going to go to Cleetus and Cars down in Bradenton, Florida, at the Bradenton Motorsport Speed Park or Motorway. I'm not 100% sure. It's going to be a whole day event. We're going to try to get as much video as we can. Besides that, we're not going to bring the Miata and enter in anything. Hopefully we can do that in the future. It's not 100% ready, but we're going to have a lot of fun. Probably do a time lapse getting up there, and you're going to see some crazy stuff, so stay tuned. All right, so we're here at Cleetus and Cars. We thought we were getting here early, which we kind of did, I guess 10 minutes early. And let's just say we're, I don't know how well you can see this, but we're at the Freedom Factory right now. And there is, I would say,
it'll be a while. We'll be here a while.
Yeah, we'll probably be here for a little while. So you'll see us backing in. Hopefully we get a fence spot so we can actually, you know, see everything. But besides that, what you pulling? All right, we'll see you guys there.